To change notifications sound on the Pixel 10a, you have to open the settings, and now you will have to go below into the sound and the vibration settings. Now you have to go below again for notification sound, and as you can see, first of all, we can click and pick my sound. So what it does, you can pick the custom sound, and if it will be visible here, then you can tap on it, but you can also click here and import that sound, for example, from your internal storage, from your downloads, or for example from your Google Drive. So we can just simply take a look on everything that is available on your device and just simply set this. Like, you can just mark it and click select, but of course you have to get here sound file instead of the video, like in my case. So this is the reason why I cannot select and import this one. Or you can pick something from the default options like this one and click save in the right upper corner.